How you guys doing? It's your boy Rod here, from Rod's Media Inc., AnimePad.blog, the AnimePad Podcast.blueberry.net, and also, the YouTube page that you're already looking at right now, the Express Team Wave. That's right. This episode, this quick little video, is going to be an unboxing and a look at some of the little stuff I got finally in the mail. I got some merch, I got some t-shirts, I got some video games, I got a little bit of everything, in the box, stuff that finally came. Some stuff took 6 months, some stuff took 3 months, it just go like that. I got a couple homeboys, they got merch lines, clothing lines, that type of thing. So I finally got in some of my custom made stuff, and we got some more stuff coming too from them. But we're gonna look at this stuff real quick and let y'all see some of the work that they do. You might want to get you a shirt. You might want to get you, a jacket, some joggers, whatever. So I got it. We also got some Crunchyroll stuff, some Crunchyroll merch that finally came in, all that good stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna look at it first up right here. Finally, after 6 months, we got the Streets of Rage limited edition box set right here. Streets of Rage 4, that's right. In the the original Sega Genesis looking box. I love it. You should too. This mug is immaculate. Ugh, let's get it open. Ugh. Finally got that sucker open. Of course, I got it on PS4, Only PS4, only Sony. That's how we do. PS5 coming soon. Keep it in the family. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do. So right here, got your regular PS4 case. It's got the alternative cover. You bust it open here. Got the alternative cover, so if you like that, you flip it over. Real nice, real nice, real nice. Now, folks, this took 6 months to come. It was supposed to come way back when. A lot of people have been playing it digitally already, but that's all right because they finally came out with some updates for the game. So I've been playing the game with the updates and everything, and it's very cool. I love it. From limited run games, you know how they do. They ran a little behind because of COVID and everything. So I finally got it, and it's well deserved. It's a great set. Here's the steel book of the game, or steel case, I should say. Steel case. Your boy Axel got the whole squad, all the new members there. You know how steel cases look. Real nice, real swanky. Gotta put that back in the sleeve. You know how I do. But that limited run. So I got a few more things from limited run because I was like, what the heck? I'm dropping the big money on the Streets of Rage 4 limited edition set, so I might as well go all out, Also, bad boy came with, shut the case up. Yeah, so I had to be bougie, I had to get some more stuff from limited run games. So yeah, we got some more stuff from them. I got a nice t-shirt. Oh, I forgot this, I don't know what this little holographic Howard the Duck looking thing is from limited run games, but yeah, I got that. This shirt, nice material, very nice material. I love when the t-shirts got very nice material. It's basically, video game guy. Got some nice cool stuff in it. Got the signature limited run game, Forever physical. They pride themselves on giving you physical product. So yeah, once again, you got the limited game run shirt. Forever physical. They pride themselves on physical merch. Some homages to some video games. Moogle from Final Fantasy. They got some controllers in here. Games also came with this holographic Streets of Rage 4 deal here. Kind of cool, look at that, a little shiny, limited run, so that's cool. Got the Streets Rage 4 soundtrack, so you can bump that in the car. Bump that in the car. You know, got some nice 808s and some jazz hits. I really like it. It's in the car right now, bumping. Got limited run game stickers. All this stuff here, limited run games. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Got a lot of, then they got the nice little, get your little messenger, your little newsletter, so you can get all your games. Also folds out into a full poster, so you see all the games listed that they got going on. PS4, you know how PS4 do. Some Vita in there, you know. Not much Xbox they deal with, but yeah, some really cool stuff. Nice newsletters. You can sit back and read while you're on the toilet, you know, taking a number 2 or whatever, you know. That's cool, you know, that's how you do. But that's limited run games. Pretty cool. T-shirt, Streets Rage 4, once again. Finally got that, took 6 months, but it's here. I love the game. Updates are working real well, loving that. Next up, you guys ever heard of Tasty Steve? Tasty Steve is a video game commentator and a great acquaintance, friend of mine, and travels all over the world doing Tekken tournaments and DBZ fighters and everything else, Street Fighter, all that good stuff. So yeah, he's got a merch line out now. You can if you look below in the video, I'll tag you to all the Tasty Steve stuff, his website. But I ordered he's got a merch line, and I finally got it. Took about 3 months, but I finally got it. Tasty, you know, his moniker, Tasty Steve. Nice, what do they call this? I think they call this like one of those runner games. You know, like the baseball type shirt. Real nice material. And then his patented beads. Always my man with a million beads and prayer hands, you know. So, of course, paying homages to his regular composure at the video game tournaments and everything. But that's Tasty Steve. Really nice material. So glad I got this. I'll be wearing it eventually soon. I don't know when, because, you know, with COVID, we ain't really been outside nowhere. But eventually, I'll put that on and be rocking it. So shout out to Tasty Steve for that. Loving that. Next up is Blake Symphony, another good friend of mine. He's a videographer, a beat maker, rapper, designer, clothing designer, merch line owner. You can check out his stuff below. I'll have his stuff down in below in the comments, in the description or whatever. But I started ordering from his merch line with the Nomad line of gear he's got. He got these, I know it's not really summer anymore. But I finally got these. Took a minute to get here. You know how that shipping and COVID is here, you know, so everything is taking longer to get here. But I finally got these Muay Thai shorts. Really liking the material here. I decided to go with the cut with this crazy colors. I'll tell you in a minute why. But I love the bangle on there, you know, patented for Muay Thai, Bangkok and all that. Got the Nomad here on the side. I like that. I like the strings. Really good material. So I'll be wearing them eventually. I don't know when. But the reason why I got this color, you can get them in a bunch of different colors. He's got, all that good stuff. The reason why I got that color, because first I ordered a shirt from him. Yeah, he got shirts. He's got joggers. Jackets are up there. Got a lot of good stuff. Reason why I got the colorful shorts, because I jumped on his t-shirt line and this is the one I wind up ordering. So yeah, Blake Symphony, Nomad Gear, the Mega Jet 2 t-shirt. I jumped on this one because it was pretty cool. And if you look right here, paying homage to the Street Fighter back in the day when you went to get your laundry done at the laundromat. You used to get on the arcade sticks and play Street Fighter, and you used to, pick your land or world, wherever you want to fight at, just to paying homage to that Street Fighter right there. So yeah, go there. You used to all that good stuff. So Nomad, this is one of his lines, merch line, pretty cool stuff. I'm loving everything he's dropping. I got the t-shirt, and like I said, I got the bangles with all the colors, the Muay Thai drip. So I think that goes together pretty well. I think supporting the home team, you know what I'm saying? But Blake Symphony, shout out to him. You can get all this stuff at the links below. And then of course I got this, baby. I had to get this for my Black Lives Matter. My DC, this is DC Comics, DC Fandom. If you look, we got the American flag, the stars, and then the stripes and the banners are actually all the black superheroes from DC Comics. And then you got some of them right here, some kneeling. You got some with the Black Power fist up. Got Black Lightning there, Static back there, John Stewart back there, Adam. You got Icon. You got the new girl. That's the Green Lantern. I think she might be Muslim if I remember. Or she might just be black if I remember. Then you got Cyborg. So yeah, paying homage to that, kneeling, Black Lives Matter right there. So yeah, that's what that is. DC Fandom, I got that from them. I'm loving that design. They got a few more I want to get that's really paying homage to Black Lives Matter and just black rights, and so I'm really looking forward to getting a few more of them. That in particular, that one, I had to snatch that one. But you can get that on DC Fandom. When they did the big streaming convention there, they was like, get the merch, and I was like, whatever. Finally jumped over there, saw that, boom, I had to get it. It was just like that. I saw that and I was like, I'm getting it. So I got it. And finally, this is the last couple pieces. Finally, I got the Crunchyroll collab with Megan Thee Stallion. These are her shirts along with Crunchyroll. Got the patented, that she always do. Loving that. Megan Thee Stallion on the back, along with Crunchyroll down there. That's the one shirt. And then I got one more shirt that's from her collab with Crunchyroll. This is the one that's actually her as the anime character, which I had to get this one more so than the lips. I like the lips too. So you got the little corner piece on the front, and then on the back, because on the front you don't ever want it really blown up like that. Then on the back they just got it blown up. On the back, of course, paying homage to the Houston cowgirl, but all the lips and the action. I don't know why she got a sword, but I'm loving the sword. I always say never bet against a person with a sword. So Megan Thee Stallion, Crunchyroll, all that good stuff. Nice little anime waifu, gear that she dropped. I'm loving it. Haven't worn it yet, but I can't wait. With Corona, ain't too many places you can go that's safe. United States. So I've been holding out on going places. I've been holding out on wearing all this gear, all this drip. Every now and then I might sneak out the house, try and throw one of these on. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up the little video here of some merch and some anime stuff, comics that I got.